videographer or creator and you live in a busy city like New York City, you'd be glad to know that Holyland has come out with a microphone solution that lets you cut out street noise as well as automatically pairs the moment you take the transmitter and receiver out of the box. The Holyland comes with 2 transmitters and a receiver, helping you add another speaker to your vlog or any other video production that you're doing. Each transmitter comes with an on and off button that allows you to manually control the transmitters yourself. It also comes with an environmental noise cancellation button that you press when you're filming in a busy street like this New York street that we're filming in. Are you going to try this microphone out? Let us know in the comments below.